You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I can't think of anything better than molten lava cake. But we're going to make it quick and easy, 30 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is add half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips to a bowl. I just love chocolate. And you can use dark chocolate too if you like, whatever kind of chocolate is your thing. Followed by a stick or 8 ounces of unsalted butter that I've cubed up here. Next, I'm going to place my bowl onto a pot of soft boiling water, kind of making a makeshift double boiler. And I'm just going to stir this and let everything melt together. And of course, you don't want the water touching the bowl too. You can use a microwave as well. Just make sure you don't overcook it and burn the chocolate. That wouldn't be good. And look how smooth and silky this looks. Just wonderful. So we'll just set this aside and let it cool down for a bit. Next, in a separate bowl, and this is a bowl for my stand mixer actually, I'm going to crack in 4 eggs, followed by a cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, and a few drops of vanilla extract. You just eyeball this. Onto the stand mixer. Now we'll just go ahead and mix this up until the eggs are kind of similar to a pale yellow. Now I should mention too, you don't have to use a stand mixer, you can use a whisk. And if there are a few lumps, sometimes it helps to sift it, but I'm not too worried about it. Now let's go ahead and pour that beautiful silky chocolate mixture in there. And we'll just go ahead and give this one more mix until it's well incorporated. Take the bowl off the mixer here, put our sifter on, and I'm going to add in half a cup, or sift in I should say, of all-purpose flour. Back onto the mixer, and we'll just mix this up one more time. Now I'm just going to spray up my ramekins here, and these are about 3 inches in diameter and a couple inches deep. Next, I'm going to fill my ramekin about a quarter full here, something like that, and grab up about a teaspoon of creamy, smooth peanut butter and place it right into the center, and continue filling the ramekin until we're about 3/4 the way full. Don't want to go all the way. And I'm just going to place this into a baking dish, just in case there's any spillage. Use a baking tray too. Then into a 450 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 14 minutes. Okay, after 14 minutes, we're out of the oven, my friends, and this looks really good. I'm just going to let this cool for a few minutes. After about 5 minutes of cooling, it's beginning to pull away from the edges. Just going to run a knife around the edges just to make sure nothing sticks. So I'm just going to take it out and put a plate over it, and we're going to give it the old flipperoonie and a little bit of a tap. And we'll just pull the ramekin off. And voila! Bit of peanut butter on the top, which is good. And we're going to decorate this guy up with a couple of raspberries and some mint leaves in the center. Doesn't that look all pretty, guys? And for the final touch, I'm going to sprinkle a bit of confectioner's sugar over the top, just to make it look like it came fresh from a bakery. Oh, just incredible, guys. And there you have it, guys, our peanut butter chocolate molten lava cake. Perfect Valentine's Day. Oh, so romantic and yummy. And now the moment of truth. Let's slice into this and see what we have. Oh, I can just feel it now, guys. Just look at that lava flow out. Wow. Absolutely spectacular. Okay, it's time for that taste test. Let's get lots of chocolate on here. Oh. Okay, molten lava cheers. Yum. Okay. My goodness, I'm hearing harps and birds. I think I'm in heaven. Oh, this is so good. That chocolate, the peanut butter, oh, it's just incredible. You have to make this, guys, for sure. So for this recipe and many other great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff on the site. Listen to our radio station. Lots of good stuff happening there. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.